Hello guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. Today we are going to unbox Boya M2 mic. Currently I am using Boya M1 Pro mic. We have already created unboxing and comparison video of this mic. You can watch from this link. The voice quality of Boya M1 Pro is really good. Currently the voice you are listening is also coming from Boya M1 Pro. But the main drawback of this mic is that which does not support iPhone more than 6, which is really bad. So that's why I've ordered Boya M2 which support iPhone all models. So let's unbox this and see the quality of the voice of Boya M2 and M1. So let's unbox this and see the quality. So this is our Boya M2 mic. So I've ordered from Daraz. So let's unbox this. Here we go. So here you can see Boya M2 for iOS devices. Digital lavalier microphone for iOS devices. Because of this we have ordered. Currently I am using. So this is our Boya M2 mic which supports iOS devices. That's why we have ordered this. So you can see the box. iOS system iOS 8.0 or later. Here you can see the specifications. So let's open this and see what accessories in it. So let's unbox. We have one pouch as we have opened in Boya M1 Pro mic also. The same pouch. Lighting adapter cable 3.5 mm for the iPhone converter. Some stickers and manuals. Here you can see. And one warranty card also. So let's see what is in the pouch. In this pouch, one silicone gel. I don't want. Qualified certificate. Clip head for the mic. One long wire. Head. And we have to use this to connect our mic. We have to connect like this and we have to add this on our iPhone. These are atoms which was in the box. Here you can see. So let's use this on our iPhone and see the quality of the Boya M1 mic and Boya M2 mic. So in the Boya M2 mic currently there is no option to listen our voice after record, just like we all have in Boya M1 Pro mic. You can see the Pro. Here we all have a jack to listen our voice after recording without disconnecting this wire. But in M2 wire we can't listen our voice after recording. We must have to disconnect this. So this is one changing in M2. So there are box of M1 Pro and this is M2, and also there's no noise cancellation, just like minus 10 dB was provided by M1 Pro, but in this there is no noise cancellation, manually to noise cancellation. So let's check. These are the differences: Boya M1 Pro, Boya M2. So let's use and see the quality of the voice. Quality of the voice. The voice you are listening is coming from my iPhone directly. So let me connect Boya M1 Pro mic and see. So now the voice you are listening is coming from my Boya M1 Pro mic. So now let's connect Boya M2 mic and see the quality of Boya M2. Let me connect Boya M2 mic. So this is Boya M2 mic which I have connected into my iPhone. So the voice quality is you are listening is coming from my Boya M2 mic. So you can compare the Boya M1 Pro mic and Boya M2 mic. So you can compare the voice of the both mics. So if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.